Believe me when I say,
This character, consistent Zootopia animated story.
Was made using a single tool and over a box of pizza.
Ever tried legs, you snake? Never had to.
Keep up, Nick!
Guess I overdid it a little, huh?
That's it for you, buddy. You sure you might miss him? Doubtful. Oh, poor Vex. Hi, Nick.
Hi, Flash.
What can I do for you?
Paperwork.
Today?
Paperwork!
Must be hard, a pretty girl dating someone that's slow.
Ew.
Take this.
This is gonna take a while.
Might as well go.
Sure, we'll get the paperwork later.
Hold still, buddy.
Let me out!
Yay! Finally!
The paperwork?
Wrong target. So, dreamy.
what you saw was created entirely with AI by an amateur with no 3D animation background, and creators making these exact AI videos are pulling in millions of views a month, making big money with just 12,000 subscribers. I'm Ari, and in this tutorial,
I'll teach you how to create your own.
Zootopia animation with multiple character lip sync.
With Dzine AI,
and we'll be using Nanobanana Pro along with latest multi-shot video models like WAN 2.6, Seedance 1.5, as well as Kling to animate our scenes with SFX. I'll also be sharing my workflow for free, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's hop into Dzine AI, all links below. You can check your credits here. Now start a new project and set aspect ratio, and the prompt bar will appear. The first step to character consistency is generating base characters for the story. But to get the prompts, go over and copy my prompt and paste it to ChatGPT to get everything you need along with your story. I've added this extra input to get mine. Now copy a character prompt from Universal Character Prompts and paste it in the prompt box here. And make sure Nanobanana Pro is selected to select ratio and generate. To get our cool output, we'll repeat this for the other ones as well. However, the result for Priscilla was inaccurate, so I used her original image as reference by adding it to get the corrected output and download them. Now let's move on to creating image scenes. Go back and copy the Scene 1 GPT prompt. Check out the characters referenced in it. Now on Dzine, add the reference character images for the scene and paste in the prompt to generate and get an amazing result. Let's repeat the same for the next scene, however using the previous output as my input for the next scene, which is important to keep consistent environment through the scene along with the next scene prompt, and adding this little modification. Keep on generating your image scenes. This output felt slightly low quality, so I used it as an input to Nanobanana and asked for a crispier result, getting this version. Here's another shot I created for a transition effect I have on with a neutral expression. Now I want an angry look. So let's select Expression Edit, and here you can tweak the sliders to match any desired expression that suits your scene. A few shots are just change perspectives or close-ups, which you can get using the output as reference and asking for a different angle or close-up. Download all image scenes and we're on to the key part. Animation. Select AI video and upload the first shot. Let's select Kling 2.6 from the variety of video models and paste the image to video prompt with dialogue. Make sure the sound is on. Then set quality and duration based on your credits to generate and get this single shot output. But if you want a multi-shot sequence, we can select the new WAN 2.6 and toggle multi-shot. Now simply add where you want the camera cuts in the prompt and generate to get this cohesive
Tried
sequence.
legs, you snake? Never had to.
A brilliant option for multiple cuts and way cheaper than Kling 2.6, though slightly lower motion and quality. For the second shot, I'll again use WAN 2.6 in single shot mode to animate the dialogue. Great. For the next one, I'll upload 2 frames, starting with a close-up that transitions into a wide shot and add some improvised dialogues. You can ask GPT for additional ones if needed. Now I'll select Seedance 1.5 Pro model, which is the only model that lets you generate multi-shot output with initial and final frames with SFX. We need the camera to be dynamic in this one. Now generate. Amazing.
I guess that's it for you, buddy.
Also consumes the lowest credits, claiming #1 for value and quality. However, it may misplace a dialogue at times.
Hey, Flash, get the paperwork ready. Alla right?
The next scene is purely dialogue, so we'll go to lip sync to pick a face image, select it to generate our voiceover for this character, which I'll be uploading my own by going to Elevenlabs to go to text to speech, selecting preferred voice, to then select the expressive V3 model and pasting my dialogue to get desired voiceover.
Guess I overdid it a little, huh?
Which I'll upload to Dzine. Adjust both the alignment of the image and audio on the timeline, affecting credits used, and generate in 1080p. I'm pretty pleased it even animates the background and is cheaper for dialogue scenes. We can also do lip sync for shots with multiple characters. Go to lip sync and select the characters to then repeat adding voiceovers to the respective character and adjusting them on the timeline to get this.
Hi, Nick.
Hi, Flash.
What can I do for you?
Paperwork.
Today?
Paperwork!
For this scene of Flash changing expressions in slow motion, there were two options, Kling or Seedance for multiple keyframe outputs. But for quality animation and adherence, Kling did the better job, even though it's expensive. Then for this video scene, it didn't have dialogue, so I selected lip sync, which supports video inputs as well, to get the synced result.
Ew. Vex.
I generated multiple animations, and overall, Seedance 1.5 performed best for keyframes with multiple cutscenes, while also being the most cost-effective for SFX. WAN 2.6 offers good value and supports multiple cutscenes from a single frame with dialogue, but the quality isn't always the highest, which is why I recommend Kling 2.6 for single-shot dialogue scenes or high-quality keyframes that don't require sound. Some outputs are in 720p, but you can easily improve this by using Enhance or Upscale here. The first two are free. I'll go ahead and enhance this one,
Hi, Nick.
and you can instantly see the sharper, crisper quality.
Wrong target.
Finally, bring everything into Capcut. Import your numbered animation clips and sound effects, drag them onto the timeline, trim as needed, add SFX, transitions, and a few effects for seamless cuts, then export your completed story. Before you go, make sure to grab my free workflow from the link below and check out the Dzine memberships starting as low as $7 per year, so you can start posting and get monetized yourself. Until then, see you in the next one.